Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making a Swiss roll. What you will need: 2 eggs, 4 ounces of caster sugar, 3 ounces of self-raising flour, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of milk and 2 level tablespoons of raspberry jam or any jam of your choice. Preheat your oven and line your tray with grease-proof paper. First thing we're going to do is add boiling hot water into a bottom of the bowl. But when adding the boiling hot water, you need to make sure it's only a little bit, as when you add this bowl over the top, you do not want it to touch the base. Now we have our water in, we're going to add our caster sugar and eggs into the bowl. And we're going to whisk until it becomes thick and creamy. Remove your eggs and sugar off the heat. Add a pinch of salt and give it a whisk. And now we're going to fold in our flour. Also add in a tablespoon of milk. Now pour your mixture into your baking tray. Add your raspberry jam into a bowl. Now microwave for about 30 seconds. Lightly dust your greaseproof paper with caster sugar. Now that our sponge has been cooked, flip your sponge cake onto the caster sugar. Now spread raspberry jam or any jam of your choice on the base of your sponge. Cut a line into your sponge at the beginning so that it helps to roll the first roll easily. Make sure not to cut it all the way through. Now roll the greaseproof round and let it set. Use an elastic band to secure it in place. Now our Swiss roll has set, unwrap it and enjoy. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.